2025 tax refund update. In today's video, we have the next direct deposit date shared. We have the latest numbers updated on the IRS.gov website. The IRS has a warning for those of you who have not filed your 2024 tax return, so make sure you stay tuned for that as well. But before we begin, as always, welcome back, everyone. So very happy to have you back for another IRS update. Updated April 16, 2025, the Internal Revenue Service encouraged taxpayers who missed the tax filing deadline to submit your 2024 tax return as soon as possible, because those of you who missed the deadline to file your 2024 tax return timely, if you owe taxes, additional penalties and interest will apply. So make sure you file as soon as possible. Taxpayers should keep in mind that requesting an extension allows for additional time to file, but it does not allow for an extension if you owe taxes. Individuals who owe taxes should file their tax return and pay the amount owed as soon as possible. Now, if you are due a tax refund and you miss the tax filing season deadline, there is no penalty for filing late if you are due a tax refund. And taxpayers who choose not to file a tax return because you believe you did not earn enough income to file, make sure to still file your tax return, because you could be eligible for the earned income tax credit or the child tax credit that will generate you a tax refund. Now, for the latest numbers updated on the IRS.gov website, April 11, 2025, total tax returns received so far, 117,588,000. That is down negative 1.7% compared to 2024. Total tax return processed so far, 116,295,000, and that is down negative 1.5%. Total number of refunds so far, 74,858,000. That is up 0.2% from 2024. Total amount refunded in dollars, $228 billion, and that is up 3.9% from tax year 2024. Average tax refund for 2025 is $3,055. That is an increase of 3.6% from 2024. Make sure to share with us in the comments if you have already received your 2025 tax refund, or if you are still waiting. And you can check the status of your 2025 tax refund using the Where's My Refund tool on IRS.gov 24 hours after you e-file your tax return, and 3 to 4 days after you e-file a prior tax return, and 4 weeks after you mail your tax return. Now, the next direct deposit date shared is 8/46, refund issued for April 23rd, 2025. Make sure to check your IRS online transcript. If the IRS will be mailing you your 2025 tax refund, that date is April 25. They will be mailing that tax refund to you, and you should receive it by May 23rd, 2025. That brings us to the end of this week's 2025 tax refund update and breaking news. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and come back for more updates. Bye-bye.